Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with LifeLock Identity Theft Protection Review My Usage Experience. LifeLock Identity Theft Protection Review My Usage Experience offers identity theft protection services. Its main purpose is to help individuals and families monitor their credit reports, detect potential identity theft, and assist in recovery if a breach occurs. Key features likely include credit monitoring, dark web scanning, and identity restoration services. Their website provides details on specific plan features. LifeLock positions itself as a comprehensive identity theft protection solution. Their website emphasizes ease of use and 24/7 monitoring. They highlight pricing transparency, though specific plans and costs vary. They don't explicitly mention no contracts, but their website details the terms of service. The technology behind the service involves automated credit report checks, dark web scans, and a dedicated team to help with identity restoration. Availability is widespread. You can check their website for eligibility. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using LifeLock. Getting started was surprisingly easy. The online sign-up process was straightforward, and I was able to link my credit reports quickly. Navigating the interface was intuitive. The dashboard clearly displays my credit score, alerts, and ongoing monitoring activities. I particularly like the detailed reports detailing any potential threats or suspicious activity detected on the dark web. The system is fast and reliable. Updates and alerts arrive promptly. I had a quick question about a specific alert and their support responded within 24 hours via email, explaining the situation clearly and reassuring me. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was and the detailed reports provided. The standout feature for me was definitely the proactive alerts. It felt like having a security guard constantly watching my financial information. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, forcing me to rely on the website. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with LifeLock. It provided peace of mind knowing my identity was being actively monitored. While it has a few minor quirks, it generally met my needs, and I felt the cost was justified for the level of protection offered. That's my overview of LifeLock Identity Theft Protection Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.